Hello friends, this is Sanjay from Sanjay Driving School. Today I'm going to show you how to turn left, right from the roundabout or traffic signal during your driving test. When your testing officer asks you to turn right, using the right lane, turn right, using the left lane, same in the roundabout, turn left, into the right lane and turn left into the left lane. So learners, they get very confused and you must have to follow the instruction because in your driving test you have maximum 3 times, like here instructions 1, 2 and 3. So you must have to follow all instruction, but if sometime you didn't follow, is okay if you don't follow 1, 2 times, but if you didn't follow 3 times, your test can be over. So really important to follow the instructions. So I just made some drawing there, and after that I'll try to show you in practical ways too. So as you can see in 1, here turning right with only turning right 1 lane. So we have option 1 and 2. So during your driving test, when you go there, your testing officer will ask you turn right into the right lane. So when we turn right, so here you can see only 1 line, but when we complete our turn, there are 2 lanes. So normal driving, you can go to any lane, but in your driving test, if your testing officer will ask turn right into the right lane, turn right into the left lane. So here what happened, when we complete our turn, as you can see here 1 and 2 lanes. So now when you here, this is your right lane. After that, when you come there, this become your right lane and this become your left lane. So right and left. So if your testing officer will ask you turn right into the right lane, so make sure you directly need to go to the right lane. And if he or she will ask you turn right into the left lane, so you need to directly go to left lane. So make sure when you go on this side, this you become right and this is your left. So make sure you follow whatever they ask you. If you don't follow, so same here. If they ask you to go to the right lane and you go to left lane, so what will happen? One instruction you avoided. So friends, I'm just going to show you some practical now. So now next traffic light, I'm going to turn right because there is a 1 lane only turning right. So I'm going to turn right into the right lane first, and next I will show you same turn into the left lane. So as you see, I'm approaching to the traffic signal and I need to turn right. So first I need to be stay on the right side lane, yeah, and I give my right signal now. As I can see the dotted lanes, so I enter direct with the dotted lane, and now I'm going to turn right into the right lane. So I wait for the green arrow. So here what you need to do, you need to turn right. As you can see in the intersection, there is a dotted lines. So I need to go over the dotted line, and now I have an option. I can turn right into the right or left lane, but during your driving test, as they will ask you turn right into the right lane, so you need to go direct to the right lane. So right lane, when you can complete your turn right on your right side lane. So I'm waiting for the green signal. So when green arrow comes, I start to my turn and I will go direct to the right lane. As I got instruction, turning right into the right lane. So green arrow on, so I'm turning right into the right lane. So as you can see, there are 2 lanes, so I'm direct into the right lane. So that's the way you turn right into the right lane. Now same traffic signal, I'm going to turn right into the left lane. So same, I give my signal right, and from the dotted line I get into the turning right lane. And I go direct to the left lane this time. So that's the way you go direct to the left lane. So second one, I'm going to show you where there are two turning lanes and they will ask you to turn right from the right lane, turn right from the left lane. So here scenario is a bit different. So here are two lanes turning right. As you can see, 1 and 2. So here they will ask you turn right from the right lane, turn right from the left lane. So as you go from the back, you need to get ready. If they ask you to turn right from the right lane, so this is gonna be your right lane. If they ask you to turn right using the left lane, so this is your left lane. So if you're using turning right from the right lane, so as you can see, this is, you need to be car between two dotted lanes. So it will go to direct onto this lane. Okay, so this become right now. And now if they ask you to turn right using the left lane, so this is the lane and you need to go from over this dotted lane direct to this lane, and this is your left lane. So same, right using the right lane, so here using the left lane, so here. So if turning two lanes, so you can't mix up the lane, you can't go from right to direct left, from left to direct right. So if there are two lanes turning right, if you're on the right lane, make sure you complete your turn using the right lane, and if you're on the left lane, complete your turn using the left lane. Okay, now I'm turning right using the right lane, and there are two lanes turning there, so I go direct to the right lane. And as I show you in the sketch, when I'm turning right using the right lane, I need to be using two dotted lanes and my car need to be inside these two dotted lanes. So as the cars move, then I'll show you. Waiting for my green signal. So when turning two lanes, if you're turning right from, then you must have to be complete your turn using the right lane. If you're in the left lane, you must complete your turn using the left lane. So at the moment I'm on the right lane and turning right, so I'm waiting for the green signal. Now green signal on, so I'm completing my turn, and here you can see two dotted lanes, so I keep my car between the lanes, and that's the way I complete my turn. Traffic light, I'm turning right using the left lane, so I stay into the left lane. So I'm gonna complete my turn using the left lane. So I stay into the left lane and come direct to the left lane. So that's the way you complete your turns. So friends, the third one is turning left using the slip lane. So as you know, slip lane is from any traffic signal, there is a lane on the left side just before the traffic signal. So wherever we have a slip lane, we must have to use the slip lane. So slip lane is like this, turning left just before the signals. Okay, so how are we turning left there? Same thing. As you can see, at the moment I draw one slip lane. So your testing officer will ask you, next traffic light, turn left into the left lane. So here you can see as I'm going, so they will ask you turn left into the left lane. So in this scenario, so now your position is like this. So your right is this one and your left is this one. So if they ask you turn left into the left lane, so you need to bring your car direct to the left lane. When is clear, there is no traffic coming from there. Same, if they ask you to turn left into the right lane, so you need to go direct into the right lane. But same, watch out the traffic. In this scenario now, if you're going to direct to right lane, you need to watch out both lanes. Traffic coming from both lanes. So because you need to cross this left lane and you need to go to direct right lane. If you go to left, then you move to right lane. It can be, but same, you didn't follow your instructions. So wait for the safe gap and go direct to the right lane. Okay, and other scenario is sometimes same slip lane, there are two lanes also in a slip lane. So here they will ask you turn left from the left lane. So when you there, this is your left and this is your right lane. So if they ask you turn left using the left lane, so make sure you using your left lane. And in this scenario, it's gonna be left, this one, and right direct there. And they ask you, if they ask turn left into the right lane, so using your right lane and go to direct right lane. So next traffic light, I'm turning left into the left lane first. So here is no slip lane. So I go using the traffic signal. So I'm turning left into the left lane. So as I turn, no pedestrian, I go direct to the left lane. So now next traffic light, I'm going to turn left into the right lane using the slip lane. So I need to give my signal left. And I'm turning left using the slip lane into the right lane. So as you can see, if there is a slip lane, you must have to use the slip lane. So I wait here on the giveaway line. And now I'm waiting for traffic. No one there, so I go direct to the right lane. So that's the way you can turn left using the slip lane. Again, next traffic light. Again, I'm turning left using the slip lane. So I give my signal left, and now I'm turning left using a slip lane into the left lane. So I'm turning here until the giveaway lane. I check on my right side, no one there, so I go direct to the left lane. Okay, so friends, fourth one is a roundabout. So here they can ask you, next roundabout, turn left into the left lane. Turn left into the right lane. So same here, you're on the left lane. If they ask you turn left into the left lane, so this is your left lane, this is your right lane. So if they ask you turn left into the left lane, so make sure you go direct to the left lane. Or if they ask you turn left into the right lane, so you need to go direct to the right lane. So make sure you follow their instruction. If you don't follow instruction, same thing. We have maximum 3, 1, 2, and 3. If you didn't follow instruction, you're gonna lose one instruction. Same, second, third. If you didn't follow 3 times, test gonna be over. So it's really important to follow the instruction, whatever your testing officer asks you. And also, one more, sorry to say, I don't have enough room in my drawing, but I'll just try to make it here. So last one is like, sometime what happened, this is the main road. So sometime when we from internal street, residential area internal street, we going to the main street. So here also there is an option when you going, like when you example you finish your stage 1 or stage 2, whatever. After that, when you from residential area or small street, you going to the main street, they will ask you next end of the road, turn left into the right lane. End of the road, turn left into the left lane. So here same, this is your car here. So now what happened here, this one is here right lane, this is here left lane. So they will ask you turn left into the left lane, turn left into the right lane. Most of time in the driving test, because they need to check your skill in the main road, so mostly they will ask you turn left into the right lane. So make sure whenever we turning left into the right lane, so this is your here giveaway line. So just wait before the giveaway line and watch both traffic, left, right. So because you need to go to the direct right lane, you need to watch out any vehicle coming there plus any vehicle coming there. So when this clear and clear here, safe cap, then you go direct to the right lane. So I hope you learn how we turning left right during a driving test and follow the right instruction. So I hope you learn how to turn left, right or turning left from the roundabout during a driving test. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful video. Bye for now. Thank you.